So now I'm going to be showing you how to decorate a simple basic cake. And I'll be using whipping cream. The whipping cream should be refrigerated, so it should not be at room temperature. This is going to help you when you start whipping up the whipping cream. So I'm going to be showing you that. So as you have seen, my bowl is also chilled. This also helps while whipping our cream. So now I'm going to add 2 cups of whipping cream and a third cup of icing sugar. You can add more icing sugar if you like it more sweet, or you can stick with a third cup of icing sugar. And also I'm going to be adding half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. So let's get started. So what I'm looking for is a soft peak. My whipping cream is ready, so now I'm going to be layering my cake. So it's going to be fun. Yeah, it's going to be fun. So here I have my first layer of cake. So I will scoop. I'll use my palette knife to help me spread my whipping cream. So now I'm going to place my other piece of cake. So I'll gently lift my cake. Look at that. So what you do, you'll try and fit the cake to the other one. So I'll also scoop my whipping cream and put it on my top layer. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to sharpen my edges. So you have to be very keen. So I'm using a rose tip, as you can see. I'm going to put my whipping cream in here and make roses using my rose tip. Now I'm going to twist. then I'll make my roses. So what you'll do, you'll squeeze and push, making the rose. I'm also going to be using red cherries to decorate. I'll place each on top of each rose. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you try to decorate your cake and the outcome is going to be wow. So see you on my next episode. Bye bye.